Let's start earning passive money now. Using this strategy, you may make anywhere from 50 cents to $4. This can even be set up in less than 5 minutes. This will take up very little of your time. Also, we don't have to spend anything on this since it's free. Aside from that, we can make hundreds of dollars if you just follow all of the instructions till the conclusion. This has limitless earnings potential, so it would help if you didn't lose out on this opportunity. This is a regular opportunity that is offered all around the globe, so no matter where you are in the world, you can accomplish this. So please don't skip any parts of the video to avoid missing out on it. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. At the start of this video, this is a unique method, and it's completely beginner-friendly. You can accomplish this even if you have no previous skills or expertise, and we can make hundreds of dollars doing this. So I want you to go to the website right now without further delay. This one has gotten a lot of attention, and maybe some of you have heard of it. This website is used by many individuals in many different businesses all around the globe. And what's excellent about this service is that you may make money every day and they pay out every day. For me, the most significant thing about this, or the best part about this website, is that there is no selling involved. I'll teach you how to obtain quick leads for free without selling anything, where you can earn a lot of money online. So first and foremost, I want you to go to this website, CPALead.com. That is, once again, CPALead.com. And like any other website, you must register for this. And to sign up, just go to the top right-hand corner of your screen and click on the green sign up icon. You'll then be routed to the next page of this website where you may join up using Facebook or Google account. If you don't want to do that, you may sign up with your email address by scrolling down below. So all you have to do is fill in your details. You already know what to do. That is how you will register on this website. Okay, so if we scroll up, we can see that they offer a $1 minimum daily payment option and daily and weekly payment choices. As a result, you have the option of receiving it daily or weekly. This is fantastic, particularly when combined with a passive income approach. So what exactly is CPALead.com? And if you're wondering what a CPA website is, CPA stands for Cost Per Action or Cost Per Acquisition. This is a kind of internet advertising approach in which an advertiser pays for a particular action taken by a target client. As a result, you might earn money with every click or action. So for example, if someone registers on the website or offers their email address, you get cash. So our target audience doesn't even need to buy anything at all. When you log into your account, you will be directed to another page. Here, you can see the dashboard where you offer statistics, lockers, landing pages, offer wall, and everything else. Now, I want you to click on the offers and be led to the next page. Then, you'll go ahead and click on the country. Please concentrate on this. Here, you can see that practically every country in the globe is mentioned. And I've already told you, this is valid for the people of any country. So I know you'll be able to locate your country. As you will see, different types of offers are shown here. You will select any offer, devices, select all devices, advertisers choose all advertisers. Please press the like and subscribe button if you've enjoyed this video so far. So let's go back to the video. Okay, so the following section is important. Please double check that you have selected all countries. And what we're going to do next is discover an offer that you believe is attractive and people would click on it. So now I'll browse down and hunt for anything interesting as there is an offer for winning an iPhone 12. That's appealing. If you look into it, you will know how much you'll make every time someone clicks on your link and completes that activity. You will see this is just only 29 cents, but there are more offerings for about $1 or even up to $4. You may search for anything here by scrolling down below. But for the sake of this video, I'll merely use this as an example. So please allow me to click on the Win an iPhone 12 button, because this one appeals to me a lot. I mean, if you see it, you're probably going to click on it. So let us click on it. Again, you are free to choose anything you wish. So we click on the iPhone offer, you will see all of the deal details here. The payment, kind, status, country, etc. Some offers are country specific. However, there are a variety of various deals offered around the globe or in your country. You may also go back and choose your country from the countries list if you want to narrow it down to only your country. On this page, you will see a button with the title Type. This is what I mean by CPA. This is the activity you must do to earn $29. As a result, they must submit their PIN for you to receive this amount. So if you're interested in this, click down and you will see the terms of the deal and also the targeting regulations that apply. It will also tell you what kind of gadgets can be used so that they can do this on their mobile phone, laptop, computer, or tablet. And here converts PIN submit. That's all they need to do. They just need to submit their PIN and you'll make money. So all we have to do is copy the link and share it. And every time someone clicks on it, the CPA will take them to an offer where they can enter to win an iPhone 12. And whether they win or lose, you will continue to earn money as long as they do the activity. So where will we get the traffic? Before we begin, I'd want you to go to the comments box right now and tell me which country you're from, so that I might produce more videos on generating money online in the future. Now, let's return to the video. So the next thing I want you to do is go to the website tryinteract.com. Again, tryinteract.com. Here, we'll have to create our quiz for free, and this is how we'll direct traffic. Now, you may make your quiz for free by clicking on the Get Started for Free link, and you'll be sent to the next page where you must join up, which is simple. And I'm sure you're already figured out how to join up, so that's something I'll leave up to you. Let's go on to the next phase. So when you log in, you'll be routed to the next page. Here, I want you to click on the button which reads Start from Scratch. So click on that, and you'll be sent to the next page. What kind of quiz do you want to make? I'd like you to click on Evaluation. So following that, you'll be led to the next page, which may seem a little complicated at first, but stick with me because I'll teach you how to do it, which is simple. So you have Cover here, and you must click on it. And then we have an unnamed question here. What I want you to do is type in something like, answer this, and you'll be entered to win an iPhone 12. Next, I want you to include a picture since humans are visual creatures. And most of us will click on anything if there's an attractive picture or something that we'll be drawn to. So I looked for iPhone 12 photographs on Google. You will find many. You can modify any selected picture on canva.com where you can add text such as win this iPhone 12 or anything similar. Okay, now that we have the image, you can describe what these people are about to get into. So I'm going to publish this here as answer this simple quiz and have a chance to win an iPhone 12. So after you finish the cover, I want you to proceed to the results and then click on result 1. And I want you to copy everything you did on the cover and paste it on result 1. So you'll do everything from the title to the description. Now you can see a call to action down below. And I want you to put something like, click here to access the quiz. Then, as you can see, you can add a URL here. Click on the URL. And here you can input your affiliate link from CPA Lead, which will take them to the iPhone 12 offer. So I will copy and paste my affiliate link. So now that we've finished that, I'd want you to come to the question. I also like you to add a new question. So we're going to ask them something easy. For example, if I'm going to ask who owns Apple, we'll enter the names or choices here, and we'll need 4 different options. So far I've had Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and Rihanna on my list. Then, when you've added all of the answers, come back and choose the correct answer, which is Steve Jobs, since it is the right answer. When they choose the correct answer, it will become green. Now that we've completed that, I want you to press the Publish button. After that, you'll be taken to another page where you may view your quiz link. So all you have to do is replicate it. We're now ready to post it on social media or the internet. After the participants complete the question, they will be led to the page to win an iPhone 12. Our next step is to find a social media site to market this. And now let's go to Facebook, where millions of individuals are online every day. So while you're on Facebook, look for iPhone giveaways since our offer is an iPhone giveaway. However, if you have other offerings such as gift cards, you may look for contests, free giveaways, or anything similar. After that, you'll need to join these groups. And after you're in, I want you to post or comment on the posting with something along the lines of, hey people, have a chance to win this iPhone 12 by taking a simple quiz. It's that easy. You may also utilize other platforms outside Facebook, and you can even share this with your pals before you realize it. Many people will then click on your link and finish the offer or activity, and you will earn money. That's how we'll make money using this strategy. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.